Once upon a time, we were both happy. Everything was fine, then suddenly it leave. I was left behind, broken in pieces. Then you'd reappear. Sometimes we all feel a little afraid. We don't put our emotions on display. But I've gotta be strong. I don't wanna know if you feel it too. Your chances are all gone, and I don't need you anymore, Try to toe the line, make you wanna stay. Asking myself why you keep going away. Don't want more goodbyes, so I've gotta say that although I've tried, sometimes we all feel a little unsure. We don't really know what we're here for, but I've got to move on. I don't wanna know if you feel it too. Your chances are all gone, and I don't need you anymore,
Hello. Oh, okay, okay. Hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to my stream. Sorry about
Hello.
that.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
okay.
hi,
Actually,
hello, and welcome. Turn it off. Okay, sorry about that. Let me turn my mic down a little bit. Yeah, that should be about right. Let me just double check something here. Let me take my monitor. There we go. Okay, so now I don't hear myself, and you guys probably hear me well. So maybe I'll try the intro again. Hello, and welcome. Welcome to my stream. We're going to be picking up back from the where we stopped last time with the Angular development. Although I'm going to start on a bit of a different note. Um, this is the README file that normally you have on any development on GitHub and something like that. And I'm going to be adding some instructions in this file. This file uses a markdown scheme. So I have here on the side what the markdown translates to. And we're going to be adding some instructions over here because this is not a straightforward thing to be doing. Whenever you get a code, you need to have some. Basically, you need to do some preparing before you can start using the code. For example, last time I showed you guys how I use the terminal to do an ng-serve. There are actually some steps before that because, for example, I'm using Node for handling my Angular stuff. So I have here the Node modules, and this does not get committed to Git. Again, I can have a proper instruction on Git in a different occasion. But for now, we're going to be working on. I'm going to be working on the assumption that you already know Git. If you do want to know more, drop me a comment, say here in chat, reach out to me in Discord or wherever you want to reach out to me, and let me know that you are interested in a more in-depth tutorial on Git or something like that. So, since the node modules, they don't come in the pack whenever you download a repository, and that's common for any repository where you have an active server or something like that. We have some preparation to do. So in this case, I'm going to say how to install and run. So the first step is going to be run node install commands. So for this, we're going to be relying on, actually, I want to get my cheat sheet for Markdown because I don't quite remember the exact syntax for that. So let me see here. Okay, so I want my Markdown cheat sheet. Let's see if we can find any easy cheat sheet we can use. From the Markdown org, that's a good point actually. So we actually want to do some code blocks. So for code blocks, yeah, this code block sounds good. Yeah, let's do this one. So if we go back to our code over here and we add a bit of a code block with 3 of these and then 3 of these, oops, 3 of these over here, you can see that we generated a code block, and here I'm going to add the command I need to run. So for installing any dependencies, I need to run the npm install. Before that, actually, let me add some instructions around how to let's say, let me think what I want to write in here. So I want to prepare the environment. So this project uses, oh, that's not how I want to write it. So this project depends on Node and Angular. To install Node, follow the instructions on the main Node.js website, and then we can add the website here somewhere. So let's get the link for that so we can have the detailed instructions. So let's start with Node.js. It's going to take me to the website I need. If I go to installation, so let's see here. Node.js. We actually had installers, but there's a command line version that I like better. So um, let's do node npm. Node npm. Mm, yeah, npm.js. To install. Come on. Where was it? It's been so long since I node npm install. So this is the npm repository. There you go. This is what I want. This is use node version management like nvm. Okay, that's fine. Where's the section where I actually install node? Yeah, you know what? Let's link to this page directly. I think I did use this page. So let's put it here. After installation, run the following command to install Angular globally. Okay, so right now we're going to be adding a different command here. Oh, hey Dylan, how you doing, man? Last stream I was actually learning some aerial shots. Hi. Let's see. So to install Angular, we're going to be doing npm install -g Angular. So the -g means that it's going to be installed globally. That means you're going to be able to use the ng commands, which are basically this. So whenever you're doing this, you can do ng, and then this is the command for Angular, basically. So yeah, I have all of these commands that I can use. Let's do ng version, and it's going to give me the version for Angular that I have installed, which is the latest one, because I don't ever install something that is not on the latest version because it's not effective. Oh, you watched the replay? Nice, nice. I'll get good on that. You'll see. Next time we play together, I'll be doing some art dribbling. Oh, Diamond Tournament, man. Yeah, I wanted to do a tournament yesterday actually, but I ended up not being able to for Rocket League's reason. I don't know, but yeah, it was quite a bummer. Let's see. So I want to do, okay, after we do the npm install on the, oh, actually, navigate to the repository folder using a terminal window and execute the following steps. If you're using an IDE that already has a terminal window, that's a lot easier because you can just use the terminal window and it definitely runs on the same environment that you are on. But sometimes you don't have that and you want to use your own terminal, right? Terminal. So let's say I want to open a specific terminal window, so I have to kind of go to my to my project folder here. I have to navigate all the way to my project folder, and from there I can do whatever I want. So in this case, I'm already in the project folder, so I don't have to worry about that. So you unlock the Diamond Tournament rewards by participating in a Diamond Tournament. That's amazing, man. Yeah, I really wanna do some tournaments soon. Okay, so the second step is going to be actually that's pretty much all you need. So run the Angular server, and to run the Angular server, we need to do a ng serve, and then we can wrap it up like this. The third step would be open a browser and navigate. Hold on, and then you have to navigate to a local. Well, it would be HTTP localhost, and it uses by default the port 4200, but you can change that if you want to. I think these are all the three steps that we need. So you first need to install Angular globally, then you do node install and npm install in your folder, and then you can just do ng serve and navigate to the local host, and you can start using the project, and then you have pretty much this. Okay, so for today, we're going to be continuing where we left off from last time. I was actually doing the banner styles. I actually finished the banner styles, so um, I think I'm going to go straight to the footer styles. So let's open here the footer. Let's navigate a little bit further down. I don't know if I'm being too greedy with my streaming quality. My computer is starting to hang a little bit. I might change this in the future, but if it gets too unbearable, let me know. But it should be fine for now. I'm also recording as I'm streaming. That's why I say I probably being a bit greedy, but that's fine. I'll figure out as we go. So let's take this footer out. Create a. We're going to be creating ng generate component. So I don't know if you can see all the way down over here. It's very small. Let me see if I can increase the size of all of these a little bit. There you go. So I'm generating a ng component on the components folder, and it's going to be called footer. Yeah, that's what I want it to be. So if we go back to the components folder over here on the left, yeah, it's definitely slow. We have a footer component now. So this footer component is going to hold all of these. So let's open it up. Let's go to the HTML and let's put all of the code in here. YouTube is Mokai. I think I have the I have it on the. If you scroll down, you should see the link on the video page over there in the About section. So scroll down and you can see my YouTube over there. For now, I'm just posting the videos as they are. I'm not doing any edits because I pretty much don't have time to do those. But yeah, it's a good place to put some repository. Later, I think I'm going to maintain a repository of the full-length videos, but I'm also going to be adding some edits with shorter versions, cutting out whenever I'm either talking to myself or not talking at all. Maybe if I'm thinking still what I'm gonna do with the direction of the stream or something like that. Okay, so let's see over here. We already have. Okay, let's close this guy. I don't need it anymore. Close. Cool. Uh, let's see. So I have a footer now. I want to add this footer to the end of my page. So let's go on our application component. We have the header, the banner. Let's add the footer over here. So thing is the application component. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's just add the footer for now. Footer. I might change this a little bit once I start adding different pages, because for now I just have the home page and I'm putting everything in the application. It's probably not where I want to have it, but I'll figure out. Probably I'll have the header, app footer, and then I'll have a sort of a, instead of app banner directly, I should have a app page or something like that. So I should have a page component, and then inside of the page component I should have the banner. And then we have the header and the footer. These are common for all the pages, so that's fine. And yeah, it should be something like this. But since I don't have a page component yet, and I think I'm going to create that by the end, I'm gonna keep it like this for now. So if we go to the page, yes, we have some crazy footer over here. So how do I want to mess with this footer? Actually, let's open the original template. Oh, amazing, man. 100K. Wow. That's quite something, man. Mm, let's see. What I want to do here, I want to find the original templates, and that's it. Let's close this. I want to open this page. Um, Copy path. Let's open it over here. There you go. So this is the original template. I actually want to see what is there any wrapper that I need? Okay, the footer area is right over here. So why is the footer area not going down? Right after the banner area. Banner area is within a section. Okay, so this should be fine. Yeah, the footer area is by itself, so it should allow me to, yeah, let's go back to the footer over there. So this should be below the, yeah, it definitely should be below the banner, but for some reason the app banner is not behaving as a whole thing. So I have the contents over here, section. What if I add some margins to the banner? Let me see. So whenever I want to try out what happens live with some CSS, the main things I do is pretty much open the console over here. That's F12 in most browsers, and then start editing the styles right on the page. So if we go, I want to add some margin bottom, perhaps. Let's see, margin bottom. I don't know, 100 pixels. What will that do? So I have a section here, 100 pixels. Yeah, but it's still overlapping with the footer. Oh, it's not actually. So why is the section stopping over there? Footer. Then we have the content for the footer over here. some additional information. This guy doesn't hold any well for border information, so the footer area has a relative position, that's fine. The footer color, actually let's make it black just to see what, oh no, that's for the, it's not the color that I wanted to mess with. So this was CCCC, I believe. Yeah. Let me see, where's the color that I want? It's the background color, there you go. Do I want background even? Yeah, I do want background, but I want it to be black. So let's do 000 hashtag. Okay, yes, that's definitely the footer acting odd. So the footer content is not going all the way up, but the background for the footer is for some reason. Oh, there's this before element. Ah, got it. I have a minus 200 top, that's why. This position is absolute. Okay, why do this need to have a background? Okay. What if the actual footer area was the one with the background? So background. Let's make it black again. 000. Okay. So, and this before guy over here, let's remove the background. We don't need the background from it. Okay, it's looking better already. And then what we need is the font color for the rest. Footer area, specific content. Let's see. Okay, do I have any place that tells me? There's the social, there's the logo. I'm not using any sort of logo at the moment, at least. I could though. I could add my logo already. That could be fun. Or I can have this content over here. Okay, it's H4. Where's the color for the H4? There you go. Yeah, this one should be white. So if I do FFF, it then shows up. Yeah. Okay, so I need to adjust these. Yeah, but I don't like the fact that the footer is not all the way to the bottom. And why is that? Okay, so we have a before over here. Minus, I don't know, 180. Minus 100. What? Oh, that's not what I want to do. So minus 100 pixels. Okay, so yeah, I don't think this is doing anything though. If I remove this, what happens? Pretty much nothing. So why is that even there? What is this doing? Inspect. So yeah. Yeah, this footer is not even sticky or anything like that. There is a container. Ah, funny. This one doesn't have the before. It's just on the home that we have that. Why is that the case? Yeah. Yeah, so why do we have a before over here? That's funny. No idea what the purpose of this is for this particular template. But I did want the footer to stay to the bottom, fully to the bottom. Is there anything that is preventing it from? I mean, probably if we had more let's see something. Let's try making this viewport smaller. No, not that small. Open over here. Yeah, there you go. Now that it's yeah, it's fully to the bottom. Funny. Okay, we can turn it off now. Yeah, that's because of missing content. So that's fine. What I want to do with this then is apply the changes I just did. Well, first thing I want to do is get rid of the footer notes where it says all right reserved. That's cool. Okay, so let's remove this part. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Okay. Reserved. Yeah, let's put Kai. That's fine. Link back to color lib. Yeah, but I'm changing the entire template though. It's not their template anymore. Okay. It's just a base. Da, 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 da. Okay, that's all good. Follow me. Let's see what else we can add in here. So we have some references over here. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Just like content center. Okay, so the footer area, that's the first place I want to base this on. So let's go to the footer. Okay, so I have a padding on the footer. I have the background color of the before. I don't want that. I want the background color. Actually, I don't even think I want this before. So I'll remove it. I don't think it's doing anything for me at all. So let's do background. I want it to be black. So let's do hashtag black. What else can we add here? I remember changing the actual color of the text to white, so let's do that. Is there any more colors that I need to be aware of? I think this footer color is fine. Yeah. Oh, blog version. The background still. Yeah, the blog version doesn't have the content. We're not using the blog version, so that's all good. Okay, let's save this. Let's save this. We're not using the logo as well, so I might as well. Actually, do we have a logo I can add in here? Let me check. Let's go to my documents. Let's take the stream logo actually. So let's make a copy of these into. Actually, can I just drag and drop? Let's see. I have assets over here. So I have the images. Oh, hold on. Yeah, this is for the templates. So they do have a logo. I don't want to use this logo though. Yeah, move to trash. Let's see if I can add a copy of my logo. Hold on. Where's it? Here. Okay. Yes, I can copy in here. That's pretty nifty. Yeah, that's my logo. Okay, so right now, what do we need to do? Yeah, I don't wanna use any of these assets though. Yeah, I'll figure out what to do with these later. We're going to be having an entire session on these other assets, these other little. Yeah, I don't want the fav icon to be this either. Let's actually create. I'll create a proper fav icon later. Delete this. Move to trash. That's fine. Client info, footer, background. Oh, there's actually background to the footer. I honestly don't care about the footer background, so yeah. Subscribe background as well. Yeah, I don't like this too, so let's move to the trash. I'm going to be creating a lot of these things myself anyway, so okay, so going back to the footer, what do we have in here? I actually want to use the assets /emg /logo. Let's put the uppercase L just to make sure it's the same. And did it work? Let's see. Failed to compile. Nice. Why did it fail? Hold on. Let's bring this up a little bit. So footer component HTML. What happened? Unexpected closing tag A. Closing tag A? Where? Over here. Oh, of course. I don't have a. Yep. Nope. Background. Oh gosh. Yeah, let's fix this subscription box. It's on what file? It's probably the subscription styles. Is it in home? Where is the subscription box? Subscription info. Nope. You know what? I'm wasting time here. Dot subs. Hold on. Remove this. Just want to find this guy. Yeah. Then want to remove this. There you go. I don't even think I'm using the subscription box anywhere yet, but yeah, I can leave it uncompiled, I guess. Oh, that's my logo, right? Oh gosh. Um, let's fix that then. We have the image over here. So we have footer logo. Let's find assets for the footer logo. Okay. So should be in footer. Yeah, let's close this a little bit. Footer logo. Okay. So I actually want this to have a fixed size. So let's make the width for this guy be 100 pixels. I don't know. Let's see. Nope. Oh, actually, I need to make the width of image inside of the footer logo. So footer logo EMG is going to have, oh no, just EMG. There you go. Footer logo EMG is going to have a width of 100 pixels. That's what I want to do. Let's save this and let's take another look. There you go, nice and tidy over here. And I do want to have some space between the banner and whatever else I have. So the banner content, no, it should be the, yeah, I don't want to use the home banner area. Not, let's just use that. Okay. So if we come over here and do the home banner area, and we've basically need some margin on the bottom. So I want margin dash bottom. Yeah, let's do 100 pixels. Should be a good margin. Yeah, there you go. Nice. I don't have any of these yet, so I need to work on those. And we actually have the three main components. So we have the header, the footer, and this banner over here. This banner is supposed to have an image. I'm going to create this image later. I have some pretty neat things planned for that. Now, the last thing I want to do for this stream is actually deploy this page into my GitHub, mokai.github.io. So if I go there right now, I have some outdated. So mokai.github.io. You're going to see that I have a very old version of my site deployed. So what I want to talk about is actually the GH pages for deployment. So there are a few steps that you can follow to pretty much to deploy to GitHub pages. And I'm actually going to add this deployment process into my MD file as well. So let's actually take this raw version over here. Let's copy all the way over to this point over here. Okay. And then we're going to add this to our own Of course, we're going to be adjusting to match what I need it to be. So I'm going to have a section down here on deploying this to GitHub. So deploying subfolder to GitHub pages. This is actually going to be a secondary thing, and I do want to see what's going on. So let's do command KV, and this should give me the preview. So I have here the section on deploying to GitHub, to the subfolder to GitHub pages. So yes, and yes, I'm going to leave the entire, yeah, this entire explanations over here. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. I have 3 over there. That's cool. Actually, I kind of like the way they did this step 1, step 2, step 3. Let's do that over here as well. So I want to do 3 hashtags, and this should be step 1. This will be step 2. And finally, we have over here step 3. Then we can have a sort of a line break over here. And this goes to deploying. Cool. So with that note, let's actually do it, right? So let's deploy this to it. So I pretty much have my my sub tree already created. So let's do this. Actually, I actually need another section over here on how to build. So in order to build code for deployment. Okay, so there's pretty much just one step. So let's copy this one over here. Run the Angular build command. So that's pretty straightforward. I probably didn't even need this over here, but just to make it all complete. So ng build. Okay, so this is actually going to generate a distribution folder that will get added to that page by using this code over here. So if I do ng build now, ng build, it's going to pretty much build all of our code so we can deploy it live. Now we just have to wait a little bit. Cool. Come on. Should be done soon. Oh, it's all done. All right, so now that it's built, I can pretty much run this last code over here. So git subtree push. Actually, yeah, we need to commit that. So So let's do git commit -m and let's do added footer component and styles. That's what I want to call it. Oh, I need to actually add. So git add -all and then git commit. There we go. And now we can do, actually I want to do 2 pushes. One for my master, git push origin. Oh yeah, you can allow it. Continue. Yeah, open joke. Open. There you go. So now I pushed my changes to the master, but I actually need to push it to the subtree in the GH pages branch. So if I do this now, this should actually have updated our website or not. What's the deal? Did it push? Let me check my GitHub account. Let me just double check over here. github.com. Let's go to mokai.github.io and let's go to the GH pages branch, and I have all my assets right over here. So was there any errors? Everything's up to date. Okay. Is it though? So do I have my logo over here? Yes, I have my own logo on the distribution folder, so yes. Image. No, it hasn't updated on the. Oh, hold on. Showing changes to 15 files. Okay, let's go back to the code. Let's go to GitHub pages, images, and logo. What do I have here? It's my actual logo. Good. I'm actually looking at a different section over here. So over here, I'm actually looking at the branch. So you can see that I have 2 different branches. And I'm trying to get it right. So in this branch, it should have the latest things because I can see my logo that I updated just 3 minutes ago. So everything should be in here. Let's try again. mokai.github.io. Let's see that. Oh, there you go. There you go. So yeah, actually, if you go into this page, Let's put it on the chat. You can actually see the same thing because this is a public HTML, so you can pretty much see the exact same thing. Of course, nothing happens if you try to click stuff. I have no links going anywhere yet, but yeah, nothing will happen. But yeah, that's the very starting point for a portfolio. That's how you deploy it to GitHub Pages. Some very nifty stuff. Incredible feature from GitHub to have something like that. It's pretty amazing. All right, so thank you, Dylan, for being here. Thank you, everyone who's seen this. If you see this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave out a comment as well. Let me know what sort of development you would like to see in here. If you want to know more about Git, more about Angular, more about whatever else you like to know. If you want me to do some more basic stuff, perhaps try and and look for I don't know, a more basic tutorial on JavaScript and HTML and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments below, or drop me a chat in Twitch when I'm live, or you can find me on Discord as well. So all the links are below. You can find me, and yeah, let's connect and chat about it. Thank you so much for joining, and see you guys next time. I'll be here tomorrow. Tomorrow, hopefully, we can do a proper Rocket League stream. I'm hoping for being able to do a tournament. Hopefully, they won't mess me up. So thank you so much for joining, and see you guys next time.